I'm irritated by that Yuuki guy, barging into a battle like that.
But Yuuki sure built strong Gunpla, with its quality and his skills. He really has the ability of a world tournament contestant. We completely lost.
No, he didn't. He said it himself. Let's stop the battle here. Judging from your machine's workmanship and movement, it appears to be incomplete. I want you to perfect it before the championship. I want to fight against your truly completed Gunpla.
Yuuki, why are you being so...
I'll tell you if you can beat me, and the championship is the perfect stage for that. He's right. This isn't settled yet. Sei, complete that Gunpla.
Reiji.
We have to pay him back, especially for that humiliation. Let's play Gunpla battle.
Are you sure?
It's decided.
Reiji. Maybe Yuuki... He barged into battle to fire up Reiji. Reiji, I'll complete this Gunpla. The Build Strike Gundam. I'll make it the best. No! The strongest machine!
I'm counting on you.
Yeah! You're glowing!
Huh? Looks like it's almost time. See you.
Huh?